This electrical panel you can see here. In this electrical panel, here PLC is installed. Now programming which is done in this PLC is done in a way that to turn on this motor, we have to simply press start push button, motor will be turned on. Now if I want to turn off motor, then just by pressing stop push button, this motor will be turned off. So how wiring of this PLC and how programming in this PLC we will do, let's learn and understand through this video. If you want to do programming in PLC, then you need to use software of the same PLC for programming. Like I have PLC of Delta company, then for programming in this, we have to use WPL software. Before programming of this PLC, we have to do wiring of this. How to do wiring of this, let's understand. To operate this PLC, I need to provide DC power supply. So I am using DC power supply here. In this, I will get positive power supply and negative power supply. Now bring these positive and negative power supply and connect these with MCB. Now in this MCB where we will get positive power supply, connect a wire from here, and here you can see terminal is given. On this it is written 24 volt. Where 24 volt is written, we have to connect positive power supply there. Beside this there is 0 volt terminal. So 0 volt power supply, negative power supply, bring this and connect this here. Besides this there is a ground symbol, so connect earthing here. So to operate this PLC we did the connection. Now in this PLC, we have to do connection of DOL starter. For this, we need start push button, stop push button and one contactor. Through contactor, we will turn on and off the motor. Through start push button, we will give command to turn on motor. To stop motor, we will give command through stop push button. As you can see here, to turn on and off this motor, contactor is used. And to turn on and off this contactor, whole control circuit is made here. Now if I press start push button, motor turn on, and on pressing stop push button, motor turn off. You can see on pressing start push button, motor on pressing stop push button, motor off. The way we do DOL starter wiring in RLC circuit, in the same way in this PLC, power supply which goes to motor, connection of this will be same. How to do control wiring, let me tell you. For control wiring, what you have to do, positive power supply here, loop a wire from this positive power supply, and to stop push button, provide incoming power supply. From this power supply only, you have to provide incoming power supply to start push button. It means in this way you have to do connection. Now from this stop push button, power supply will go to X0 terminal of PLC. That is, connect a wire from here to X0 terminal. Now from this start push button, take power supply and connect with X1 terminal. After this much connection, this S/S terminal in PLC here, that is short sync terminal, we have to provide negative power supply on this terminal. So take negative power supply and with this sync source terminal, connect this wire. Now we can say input power supply connection is completed. Now we only have to do connection to turn on and off this contactor. For this, what we will do, with this MCB, connect single phase power supply. I am using single phase power supply here because this contactor will work on single phase power supply. If it works on DC power supply, then I would have used DC power supply here. Now phase terminal of this MCB here, connect a wire from here, and with common terminal here, where C0 is written, with this terminal we have to connect phase supply. Now phase supply which we will connect on this terminal, we will get output of this at Y0 terminal. So from this point, connect a wire and with A1 terminal of this contactor, connect this wire. Now to operate this contactor, we need neutral power supply also. So bring neutral supply directly and connect with A2 terminal of contactor. So we have to do only this much connection if we want to make DOL starter through PLC. So we learned the wiring, now let us learn how we will do the programming. Here I opened the programming software of PLC. After opening this, click on File and click on New. We have to make new program here. To make program, first of all, write title here. Title will be DOL. In the file name also, I am writing as DOL. After this, we have to select PLC here. There are more options in this like VFD, TP, but we have to select PLC here. After this, below here, select is written. Here we have to select model number. That PLC we have, this PLC is of which model number? PLC I have is of SS series. So I selected SS here. After clicking on OK, programming window is now open. Now we have to do programming here. In this programming, first of all, we have to connect this push button, that is, we have to connect stop push button. As you can see here, I connected stop push button at X0. The terminal on which you connect push button, you have to use address of that only. Practically, I connected stop push button with X1, So for stop push button, I will use address of x1. For this, I need to search NC contact here. You can see here is the symbol of NC contact. I am clicking on this contact. After this, a window is pop up. In this, here X is written. X means the input signal you want to give. In device number, we have to write number, that on which number you connected the push button. We connected at x1 here, so here I will select x1 and I will write here that it is stop push button, and now click on OK. You can see here it is showing stop. Till now I shown you by pressing button how you will bring NONC contact. Now if you want that just by typing you can bring NO contact, then for this you have to write LD. LD means NO contact. After this you have to write address here. We will write here address of this push button. This push button is connected at x0, so I will write here x0. After writing x0, press enter. You can see this is symbol of NO contact, this is symbol of NC contact. Right now it is not written why this NO push button is used. Then let's go to device comment and write here start. Now if I press this start push button, then I want this fan should start. Then for this what I will do, address of this fan here y3, I will use this here. So here I will write OUT. OUT means you want output coil to be energized. Here I wrote out. Now write address of fan y3, write this here and click on OK. You can see here output coil is made. If you don't want to type, then delete this from here. After deleting it, simply this symbol here, this is for output coil. Click on this. You can see here y0 it is showing. Right now we have to use y3 and here I am writing motor. To start motor, this coil is used. So through start push button to start motor, this connection is completed. Now we have to make holding circuit only. To make holding circuit, we will type OR. After this output coil here, which we have to hold, write address of this here. That is, we have to write y3 here because we have to hold this. You can see we made the holding circuit. Only this much programming we have to do. After this programming, code which is written here, click on this. Program will be checked. After it is checked, here it is written compiling is completed. It means program is correct, there is no error. Now we will transfer this program to PLC. It asks some permissions to transfer, so give all the permission. Now there is a button of online mode here, click on this. Right now you can see motor is in off condition. Now if I press start button, you can see motor is started. If I want to stop motor, then I will press stop button. Motor turned off. You can see motor start. Now we want to stop this, then simply press stop button. Motor will turn off. Friends, I hope this programming of PLC was easy to understand. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment on this video. Thanks for watching this video.